How to use Starbucks promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Starbucks promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. First up, I'm gonna show you guys where can you find Starbucks promo code. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Starbucks. For this video, I'm gonna use this one website, WeThrift. You can also try this one website. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. So here you can see that 50% off, 40% off, 30% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab and copy the code for it. Once you copy the code, now you can head towards the website of Starbucks. Open a new tab, then type in Starbucks login. Go ahead and provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, browse through the menu and select the items that you want to order. Proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in the copied code and then confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount. So this way, you can easily use Starbucks promo code. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.